This is On Tilt Trading. Let's go through my pre-market analysis. This morning, scanning the market, I haven't found anything that is setting up for me to trade, with the exception of Cosmos, possibly. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing on Cosmos. Cosmos here on the first thing on Cosmos that got my attention this morning is it's trading near a Camarilla pivot level. This is Camarilla pivot R3 right here. This is Camarilla pivot R4. This is the weekly chart. This is the 4-hour chart. This is the 15-minute chart. We can see here, up here on the 15-minute, Cosmos broke out above this R4 level but failed here, and then sold off quite a bit down here to this 4135 level before it found buyer support, retested the R4 level and failed, and is now sold through the R3 level, and is now just trading just under this R3 level. As far as in the 200 EMA, I don't see it at all here on the weekly chart, but it's trading below this 200 EMA here on the 4-hour, and is currently trading below this 200 EMA here on the 15-minute. So seeing the correlation of the price action below the 200 EMA, and again uncertain of where it is here on the weekly chart, but the weekly chart looks pretty weak. Let's go from a structural perspective. This was a previous strong low here, and then this would have been the week high, but then there's been a market structure shift here with this candle. Actually, it looks like this wick here, but in continuation, this candle right now being the low, but it looks more like a weak low, and this may be potentially a strong high. We could be moving towards a downtrend right now on the weekly, and then moving over to the 4-hour structurally. We can see here this being the previous strong low, and up here being the week high, and then this was the previous week low before it, and then, or the strong low before it here, then this would be the week high. This made a new strong low, this made a new week high, but it looks like this strong low here, well, it doesn't look like, for sure this strong low has seen a market structure shift, even this strong low. So this candle right here has taken out two strong lows, so there's definitely some displacement here. Then we get pullback, and now continued selling. So this would have turned into the strong high. This would be the week low. This may be the, actually here would be the new strong high. And then now I'd potentially be looking for another week low down here below this candle here. But we'll see how it goes. And this particular trade idea, scale out a bit, the cams are quite wide today. So this trade idea would be in R3, and here would be S3. This would be an R3 to an S3 traverse, if an opportunity presents itself. Right now, nothing has materialized for me to trade. Ideally, I want to find actually, let's take this out here. I'm seeing a fair value gap right now. I've been incorporating ICT concepts into my trading, and I'm now trying to let's say improve on that incorporation by visually spotting things like fair value gaps and order blocks. So for me, this would be a fair value gap right in here. Additionally, if this breaks out, or one of these candles closes, if this candle or any other candles close below this candle here, this may be an order block. But I have this up right now. I'm also wanting this to trade in a as far as in discount and premium. Down here would be discount, up here would be premium. Ideally, I want to see this come up into a premium range, or right here near the edge of this fair value gap here in order to take a trade. So right around here would be, or right around equilibrium, this 50% I think would be a decent place to look for a trade. And you can see the same thing here setting up. We can see the same 50% level for 0.375, 4.375 setting up here at the equilibrium. This equilibrium here is also in tandem here with the 200 EMA. So we have some important levels that are together here. So this could potentially turn into something tradable, or maybe not. We'll see how it goes, and then I'll have a look for any potential fair value gaps here on the 15-minute. Doesn't look like much. Nope. Or anything fair value gaps in this area. I'm not seeing anything at the moment, but I don't always see them right away. Training my eyes to get used to them, but we'll see how it goes going forward here. But this is what I'm seeing here for Cosmos this morning. If we can get some pullback up into this equilibrium point here in this 200 EMA, if the risk to reward sets up, will be good for a trade. I've got an order set up here, and then it's just going to depend on whether or not we can get up into this range to get a 4-to-1. But it seems like we're selling here in the pre-market to the US Open this morning. Additionally, I have positions in chain link from yesterday, as you can see here. I'll walk you over to that chain link trade, and we'll take a look at it for a second. So chain link, actually there are some trades that are, there are 3 positions that are up here that are out of frame for the 15-minute. There are 3 positions up here. That you can't see, that are these positions here, right up here at the top of this candle. And then 3 more positions here. Took 3 positions here. This is all yesterday on the tariff press conference that was yesterday. This was overnight. Price action went into this upper fair value gap here. And then this was this morning pre-market. I was noticing here at this S6 level, which rejected yesterday. Actually, this S7 level rejected yesterday. Price action went above here, this S6 level here, and then into this fair value gap, and then another sell-off here, back down below the S6 level, a retest of this S6 level, and then a sell through this S7 level here, and now we're down here. My target was yesterday's S10 level down here, and we'll go over to the go over to the 4-hour chart, and I'll show you my targets here. So we'll go from the top, and you can see my take profit is here at 12.41. Right now we're trading at 12.688, but my profit target is down here at 12.41. Multiple positions, 12 positions, but they're all going to the same place, and are all somewhere between like a 10 to 1 to a 5 to 1. These lower ones are like a 5 to 1. I'll walk you through my last set of entries here. You can see where my stops are. So my last set of entries are right here, and I just placed a stop up above this candle here, which coincides with the high of this candle here on the 4-hour. But this trade is doing nicely. Gave me multiple chances to add and take a position, and so far this is working out pretty well. But back to Cosmos, seems like Cosmos is selling off with the rest of the market, including Chainlink. So we'll see if the buyers come in here when the market opens, and if we can get a trade on Cosmos. If not, then I will just be content with the continuation of the trade here on Chainlink. But this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.